Dear students, how are you? Welcome you to our YouTube channel. This is Mr. Zainal Abdin, the English teacher of Mahmud City Public School, Sundia Bazar, Jamalpur. Today I am going to teach you one question item of class 8 English. The number of the question item is 6 and 7. Two question items. At first, you should know what is given in this item. Then you should try to answer this question. You also know how to answer this question item. At first, I am going to tell you what is given in this question and what is the name of the question item. The name of the question item is question number 6. This is called clause test with clause, and number 7, clause test without clause, because in question item 6 the keywords are given in the box above the passage, and there is a passage with 10 gaps, including number A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and H, I and J. You should read the passage carefully again and again, and you should fill up the gaps with the keywords from the box. You cannot use other words other than the words of the box. In this question, there is a passage. I am going to read the passage and telling you the meaning of the sentences. Then I will try to teach you how to answer the question. First, Allah is very dash. Allah is very dash. So we should have dash to all. Full stop. Then he does not like dash. Cruel dash are not liked by dash. He has dash all things dash earth and loves them dash. Next, we are his best dash, so we should have also love dash all things. Now come to the answer system or answering method of the question. You should write this way: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. At first, you should write the number in this way. Then try to put the keyword or answer word against this number. I have to tell you that you should not complete the passage in this way, because there the numbers are given adjacent to the gaps. So you must write only the answer words against these numbers. Now come to listen. Allah is very dash. You know that Allah is very kind. Allah is very kind. Allah khub dayalu. So it will be kind. Allah is very kind. It will be kind. So we should have dash to all. We should have kindness to all. Kindness to all. We should have kindness to all. We should have kindness. This will be noun. So it is kindness. He does not like dash. He does not like dash. Cruelty. He does not like cruelty. He does not like cruelty. Then cruel dash are not liked by him. Cruel people are not liked by him. Cruel people. So cruel people are not liked by him. Liked by, it will be him. I have written him with capital letter because him has indicated Allah. So the pronoun instead of Allah you must write with capital letter. Then come to number F. He has dash all things dash earth and loves them dash. He has, these will be created. He has created all things dash earth. It will be on earth. And loves them equally. So in number F, created all things on earth. Number Z, it will be on earth and loves them equally. Loves them equally. Love them equally. Then come to number I. We are his best creation. We are his best creation. Then number Z. So we should have also love for. This will be for. We love for all. Then come to number 7. What is given in number 7? In number 7 there is also a passage and there are 5 gaps only with the relative numbers of A, B, C, D and E. And you should have to write the keywords or answer words against the number. Same, you must not complete the passage in this way. You must write only the keywords. Then number 7, A, B, C, D and E. Write the numbers in this way. Then you read the passage carefully and try to find out the answers of the gap. You should know that there was a box in the before question item. We are bound to use the words from the box, but in this item, as there is no box or there is no keyword, so for the meaningful sentence, the answer may be different from person to person. So long ago, it will be ago. Long ago, there lived a king. His dash was. Absolutely, it will be name. His name was. His name was Solomon. His name was Solomon. Many people came to him every day and asked him as the verb is asked. So the answer will be questions. 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 Then the king dash all the questions. All the questions, then the verb will answered. Then the king answered all the questions. So people called him wise Solomon. In another country, there lived a queen. The name of the queen was Sheba. She wanted to test the dash of Solomon. She wanted to test the wisdom of Solomon. Wisdom of Solomon. My dear students, I have finished the work for the time being. I want to tell you, have you subscribed our YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed, subscribe the channel as soon as possible and try to follow the instruction we give in the classes. Okay? Thank you everybody. Thank you all. Goodbye.